My name is Matthew. I introduced 16 international brands in India. Whatever new machines and tools you see in India now are all introduced by me in '98, including ARS Tools brand of tools in India. Now I concentrate mainly on horticultural manual tools for pruning application. 25 years back, nobody was pruning in India except grapes and apple. Now people started pruning all the trees, all fruit-bearing trees, because they learn now. So we worked hard to educate people to prune their fruit-bearing trees so that they give more yield. So we are professionals. ARS is a This is ARS. ARS is 1876 company in Japan. They researched and developed manual hand tools in the world. They are world #1 quality. They are professionals. So we should not, if you love your plants, we should not hurt them. So you have to use a very quality, very sharp tool to prune them so that it will not get a wound or injury. If the injured branch will die, so always use a quality tool, sharp. If the tool is not sharp, you are pressing it too much. If you press too much, what will happen? The threading of the central rod will worn off. So next time it will not cut. With your strength only you are cutting. The branch will split, moths will enter, fungus will start, and the branch will die down. So always use a professional tool for that.